Should we go down to the beach? I think we should go down to the beach.
It's a little windy, but it looks awesome.
The sun's out.
Yeah. Let's do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Are we going to film today? I don't think we can film today.
I don't know. It's super windy.
Look at the wind on these trees and stuff.
Yeah.
Man.
It's so cool. Do you see the dunes over here?
Okay, hold on. Let's take a look.
Looks so neat.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sweet. We're thinking about going to the beach. What do you think? No
What's
comment?
Cole think?
Cole?
What do you think?
Hey, Cole. We're going to go to the beach. What do you think?
He'd rather stretch.
Yeah, I think so. So let's do this? Let's do this.
Do it.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Jeff and Steph's.
Excellent adventure.
Yay! At Pismo Beach. We're gonna have some lunch and have some fun.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful
beach town.
Beach town, for sure, yeah. And it's fun to watch. It's a big surfing capital in California. It's fun to watch all the surfers out on the water.
When I was a kid, this is what I thought of when I thought of a California beach. With
Yeah.
the wooden pier and everything.
Yes.
You know, and the people surfing in the water and all that. That's kind of what I thought of as a California experience, you know?
For
so
sure.
This is awesome.
It is. It's
beautiful.
A beautiful day today and breezy and, kind of asked for better weather.
Yeah.
So let's go check out Pismo. So we are here today with Ken and Cathy. Hi, new RV friends. Doing that. And we are at the Pismo Beach pier. And it's super windy out here today.
Do you want to know about an optical illusion, Stephanie?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look at this.
Look at the ground here.
See?
This looks completely wavy.
Very discerning walking on this.
Yeah, but it's completely flat.
Yeah.
They laid the brick in the pattern, so it looks like there's waves in it. Whoa!
Inside.
You're doing awesome.
Yeah.
This is the kids' play area. So neat. And here's the boardwalk along Pismo Beach. The 3 vintage Airstream trailers on the pier are home to a concession stand, a visitor center, and a bait shop. This sea lion was playing and swimming around the surfers. The Pismo Pier is over 130 years old. It was originally built in 1881 and was the Pismo Wharf, and it's since been destroyed a couple times, and now the current length of the pier is 1,200 feet. It started out over 1,700 feet, so it's lost some length from its original size. We are at the Splash Cafe today, and we're going to get some lunch.
We're going to have a lobster roll.
Lobster. How do you say it, Jeff?
Lobster. Now, are we going to hang 10 later?
Yeah. You have a new buddy here?
Look at this wimp. Right? Yeah, this is nothing. He's got nothing.
Yeah.
I know.
Jeff,
What?
what is this?
What? Oh.
It's
Kite.
kites.
What?
It's kites.
Is this kite?
Yeah. Don't you love a good kite?
I do like kites.
I know it. We should go check it out.
All right, let's do it.
We've had such a great time in Pismo Beach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Take care. Safe travels.